Hello, I'm Mr. Eaglestone. On this channel, we do DIY projects and tool reviews, so if you're into tools and real tests, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Today, we're taking a closer look at this PARKSIDE Jigsaw blade set with a detachable handle, and I'll show you exactly what you get, who it's for, and if it's actually worth it. What's inside the box? So first of all, inside this compact case, you get a variety of jigsaw blades designed for different materials. Blades for fast wood cutting, blades for clean wood cuts, blades for metal, and even more specialized ones depending on the set. And the big bonus here is this ergonomic handle, which allows you to use these blades manually, like a small handsaw. That means you don't even need a jigsaw machine to use them. Build quality and design. The blades feel decent for the price, typical PARKSIDE quality, solid enough for DIY use, clearly labeled for each type of cut, and nicely organized inside the case. The handle is actually very comfortable with a good grip and simple locking mechanism. It feels stable, and that's important when you're cutting manually. Real use and performance. Now in real-world use, this set is perfect for quick cuts without setting up power tools, small DIY jobs, working in tight spaces, or even outdoor situations where you don't have electricity. For wood, it performs surprisingly well, especially for rough or medium cuts. For metal, it works, but you need patience. This is not for heavy-duty cutting. PROS. Very versatile set, multiple blades for different jobs. Portable and compact. Works without electricity. The handle is a big advantage, great value for money. Cons, not for professional heavy use. Some blades may wear out relatively fast. Manual cutting takes more effort and time, not ideal for thick metal or demanding tasks. Who is this for? This product is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, beginners building their first toolkit, people who want a backup cutting solution, preppers, or anyone needing tools without power. But if you're a professional or doing heavy construction work, this is probably not your main tool. Final verdict. Overall, this PARKSIDE set is a smart, budget-friendly solution. It's not meant to replace power tools, but as a portable and versatile backup, it does the job really well. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY projects. I'm Mr. Eaglestone, and I'll see you in the next one.